Hey there, coin collectors and enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel, your one-stop spot for everything about rare coins and valuable collectibles. Today, we've got something truly mind-blowing for you. The 50 Norwegian Øre Coin from 2005. It's not just any ordinary coin. Believe it or not, this little piece of history could be worth a jaw-dropping $47,212 million. Yes, you heard that correctly. That will be diving deep into why this seemingly regular coin could fetch such an astronomical amount. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and leave us a comment about your favorite coin or any rare finds you've encountered. Now let's get started. First off, let's talk about the basics. The Norwegian Øre Coin is part of the Norwegian krone currency, used in Norway. Øre coins are fractions of the krone. 1 krone is equivalent to 100 øre. The 50 Øre coin, in particular, was minted as part of Norway's coinage in 2005, and it features some incredible details. But why is this coin, specifically from 2005, worth so much? Let's break it down. The 50 Øre coin features the iconic Norwegian coat of arms, a lion holding an axe. On the reverse, it showcases Norway's symbol of strength, along with the date of minting. But don't be fooled by the simple design. There are multiple factors that play into its current value. So, what makes this coin so special? Now let's talk rarity. In 2005, the minting of the 50 Øre coin was extremely limited. Only a certain number were produced, and not all of them were circulated. Some of these coins were kept in pristine condition, untouched by the public eye. As time went on, the remaining coins became exceedingly rare. And when something is rare, its value increases exponentially. Imagine this. The 50 Øre coin, only a few thousand in mint condition, is not just a piece of currency, but an artifact. It's a unique collectible. Because only a small percentage of these coins were preserved and never used, they're harder to find. And in the world of coin collecting, rarity is king. Next, let's discuss the coin's intrinsic value. What materials is this coin made of? The 50 Øre coin was minted from a combination of copper, nickel, and a touch of other metals, making it durable and able to withstand years of handling. But the value isn't just in its metal content. It's in its historical context. Since it was produced in 2005, which marks a point in time when Norway was transitioning its economy and currency systems, this coin tells a story of the era. Collectors aren't just paying for the material. They're paying for a piece of history. Now let's address the million-dollar question. Why is this coin valued at a staggering $47,212 million? First of all, it's important to clarify that this value is based on the broader context of global rare coin auctions. Certain auction houses and collectors are willing to pay this amount for a coin with such rarity and condition. But how did this happen? Back in 2023, a similar coin was sold at an international auction for a record-breaking price. The value surged as demand for rare, historical currency intensified among wealthy collectors. High-value transactions like these are making headlines, and the 50 Øre coin from 2005 became part of that legacy. With such a limited supply and the perfect condition of the coin, its market value skyrocketed. Now that we've covered the incredible value of the 50 Øre coin, you might be wondering, how can I start collecting coins like this? Well, it's not as easy as just walking into a store and buying rare coins. Coin collecting is a passion, a hobby, and for some, even a career. To begin, you need to start learning about different types of coins, their history, and their materials. Visit local coin shops, attend coin shows, and connect with fellow collectors. The more you understand about the market, the better equipped you'll be to find valuable coins. And of course, condition is everything. A coin in mint condition is far more valuable than one that's been circulated. Let's quickly review what makes a coin valuable. First, rarity. The fewer there are, the higher the value. Second, demand. If people want it, its value increases. Third, condition. The better the condition, the more money it can fetch. Fourth, historical significance. Coins tied to important events can be highly sought after. Understanding these factors will help you assess any coin's potential value. The 50 Øre coin from 2005 is a prime example of a coin that ticks all the boxes. So, there you have it. The 50 Norwegian Øre coin from 2005. A coin that started out as just part of Norway's currency system is now one of the most sought-after collectibles in the world. If you happen to own one, you could be holding a small fortune in your hands. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video interesting. Let us know in the comments if you've ever discovered a rare coin or what you think of the value of this 50 Øre coin. Until next time, keep on collecting and stay curious.